funny one here. I'm replacing this lock, and this one was extended and someone used a spacer, but wanted to show you what happens here. There's two sizes for this. So you can actually twist this here. See that? That's the long way. And then this would be the short way. So, okay, so here's my new lock, and just to show you, it'll fit just fine like that. But what someone didn't know is that extension piece, is you can actually have it set for a different setup like that. I just turned it, and then it would stick way out. So anyway, long story short, we want to end like so, labeled up, and there we are. And I'll put the rest of it together and show you that. Okay, and there's what it's supposed to be. Much better. Not sticking out. And now I got to touch up the paint, but that's what it's supposed to be like.
Yep, so deadbolts as well as handle lock sets. In the United States, it's a 2 3/8 or a 2 3/4 inch setup. The latch has an adjustment as well. Most lock sets and for deadbolts as well as handle sets have a simple and easy way of adjusting it. So this one uses a pin setup, and the other type is a turning setup. Most you can figure out just by examining them a little bit. Not too big a deal. The proper term for this is the back set, and it's the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the drilled hole for the handle set or deadbolt set. The door hole is usually a 2 1/8 inch hole, and then the latch is a 1 inch hole which passes through, and the common distance between a deadbolt and a handle set is 3 5/8 inches center to center. For the latch to set into, it's usually a 1 inch by 2 3/8 inch tall rectangle that's a chiseled centered on the 1 inch latch hole that is centered on the 2 1/8 inch door boring. You know, again, that uses a 2 3/8 inch or a 2 3/4 inch back set, just depending on which setup. And this is why most deadbolts and lock sets have an easy way to adjust the latch or the bolt for a 2 3/8 inch or a 2 3/4 inch back set in the United States. And lots of various companies have jigs for drilling the latch sets, which make it nice and easy. Comes with a 1 inch drill bit and a 2 1/8 inch drill bit for boring the hole, as well as a jig that makes it very convenient and easy to drill these out and then chisel out the portion for the latch set to seat into. And many of these jigs are adjustable as well for the 2 3/8 inch or the 2 3/4 inch back set. It gives you the option of either setup. Most handle sets are set 36 inches from the floor, but there can be some variation between 34 and 48 inches depending on the situation. And security locks can actually be installed at any height. Just thought I'd give you kind of the common sizes setups, a little bit about that. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance.